Hello, and welcome to week 47 of the Weekly Declutter Challenge. This week, we are going to focus on our underwear. So, that includes panties, t-shirts, bras, boxer shorts, camisoles, anything in that matter. These items are often sometimes neglected, so this week, we're going to do our 3 steps into getting them organized. First, gather all of those items in one place. Second, you're going to sort them by keep, toss, and donate. And then you can also use drawers or dividers inside of your drawers to organize things and keep things separated. Now, don't forget to share your progress on Facebook in the private Facebook group and also on Instagram. And don't forget to tag me. If you're interested in joining the Declutter Challenge, I will leave a link to how to join the Declutter Challenge in the description box below. Thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.